Welcome to Evolutionary Eureka, where we explore the groundbreaking innovations shaping our future. Today, we'll dive into one of humanity's most exciting frontiers, space travel and the quest to colonize Mars. Why Mars? Out of all the planets in our solar system, Mars is the most viable candidate for colonization. It's similar to Earth in some ways. A day on Mars is just over 24 hours, and it has polar ice caps, seasons, and even signs of ancient rivers and lakes. But it's also incredibly hostile. Freezing temperatures, a thin atmosphere, and no breathable air. NASA, SpaceX, and other space agencies are already laying the groundwork for human missions to Mars. NASA's Perseverance rover is currently exploring the Martian surface, searching for signs of ancient life and testing technology that could help future missions. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is at the forefront of the push to colonize Mars. Their Starship rocket, designed for deep space missions, aims to carry the first humans to Mars. Musk's vision: a self-sustaining city on Mars by 2050. Ambitious, right? Getting humans to Mars is one thing, but keeping them alive there is an entirely different challenge. The journey to Mars could take up to 9 months. Astronauts will need to deal with the psychological effects of isolation and confined spaces for extended periods. Once they arrive, they'll face extreme radiation from the sun due to Mars' thin atmosphere. That's why developing advanced habitats with radiation protection, sustainable life support systems, and methods to produce food and water on Mars is crucial. Living on Mars will also test the limits of the human body and mind. Extended stays in space cause muscle atrophy, bone loss, and exposure to high levels of radiation, which can damage cells and DNA. But beyond the physical, there's the psychological toll, living in isolation on a barren planet millions of miles from Earth. Space agencies are already conducting isolation experiments here on Earth, like NASA's High Seas project in Hawaii, to better understand how people might cope with the mental challenges of long-term space missions. So, how close are we to colonizing Mars? Optimists like Elon Musk believe we could see humans land on Mars within the next decade. But a full-scale colony? That's likely many decades away, depending on technological advancements, funding, and international collaboration. But one thing is clear: the race to Mars is no longer science fiction. With each new mission, we're getting one step closer to turning the red planet into humanity's next home. Thanks for watching Evolutionary Eureka, where we explore the next big leap in human exploration. If you're as fascinated by space travel as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. What do you think? Will we see a colony on Mars in our lifetime? Let us know in the comments.